Hi there! Isn't it wonderfully idyllic here? You're in the traditional world of raclette. Would you really like to impress your friends back home? If so, we'll make you a raclette pro today and show you how to raclette. Proper raclette cheese matures for at least 3 months in a rustic cellar. Clamp the raclette cheese in the cheese holder and adjust to the desired height. The closer the cheese is to the heat source, the more it will melt. Ideally, there should be a distance of 2 to 4 centimeters between the cheese and the heat source. Isn't it nice to see how the cheese starts to sizzle? Enjoy this moment. But keep an eye on your raclette cheese. Scrape the melted cheese with feeling and in one go with the blunt side of a knife. Bravo! Well done! You've just scraped your first raclette. However, true experts pick up the cheese with their hand to scrape the raclette. Here too, don't use too much force. You need to feel the raclette. Congratulations! You're a true master! After a few scraped raclettes, a crisp rind forms at the edge of the cheese. This is known as the religieuse, or nose.
Schnitz!
Carefully cut off the rind using the sharp side of the raclette knife. The fine raclette will now make you melt as well. And what should you eat with it? Hand-dug potatoes, washed, boiled, and unpeeled. Gherkins and small silver skin onions go well with this, but you can also give full rein to your creativity when selecting the side dishes. To drink, Fred recommends a glass of fondant for the grown-ups. You can treat yourself to a little more than usual. The kids might prefer a cool lemonade. Or how about a black tea? Raclette can be enjoyed with practically every liquid refreshment. Cheers! On no account should you throw the cheese remains away, freezer. And whenever you feel like it, cut a bit of the cheese off. For instance, for a cheese sandwich, a tasty cheese slice, gratinated vegetables, or a cordon bleu. Give your raclette oven a bit of a wellness cure after it's finished its work. Proper cleaning will give it a long life. Bask in your guests' praise. You've earned it. Thanks, Fred. Till next time.